I learned English in just 3 months. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how I learned English just in 3 months. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to learn English? And if you don't see any improvement after following these tips for 3 months, then you can leave a comment down below and I will personally reply to your comment. The first step to improving your English is to identify your mistakes. You should listen to native speakers and try to notice the differences between their way of speaking and your way of speaking. Expanding your vocabulary is another important step to improving your English. The most important thing is to practice speaking English regularly. Setting realistic goals is also important when trying to improve your English. Start by setting small, achievable goals such as learning 5 new words a day or practicing speaking with a friend for 15 minutes. One of the most difficult aspects of English grammar is the different verb tenses. Practice using different tenses correctly. You can do this by watching videos or reading books on English grammar. Give yourself enough time to learn, and don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. And I know that there are many YouTube channels that promise to help you learn English quickly, but they don't provide any useful tips. Also, please support my content because it will help me grow and reach more people who want to learn English. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. They just waste your time. That's why I have given you all the important tips in this video, to make sure that you follow all these tips and you can definitely improve your English in just 3 months. Being patient with yourself is an important part of improving your English. So make sure that you are being kind to yourself and giving yourself enough time to learn. Many online resources can help you practice using different tenses. So make sure that you are utilizing them to your advantage. Practicing using different tenses is an important part of improving your English. So make sure that you are getting enough practice. As you progress, you can set bigger goals. This will help you stay motivated and on track towards achieving your goals. Don't let this discourage you. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process, and they help us learn and improve. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Don't let this discourage you. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process, and they help us learn and improve. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Realistic goals are important for improving your English because they help you stay motivated, on track towards achieving your fluency goals. Start with small, achievable goals, and gradually increase the difficulty level as you make progress. You can practice with a friend or family member, or you can join an English conversation group. Pay attention to the sounds of the language and practice making them correctly. You can also work on reducing your accent or eliminating any regional dialects that may be affecting your pronunciation. And if you want to improve your pronunciation, I would recommend you to use the IPA chart. The International Phonetic Alphabet is a system for transcribing the sounds of human speech. Using the IPA chart can help you pronounce words more accurately and with less effort. If you are shy, you can also practice by recording yourself while speaking. I would also suggest you to talk to yourself, because I did that when I was learning English, and it helped me a lot. And I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it works. Speaking English regularly is the best way to improve your fluency. So make sure that you are getting enough practice. Try to learn at least 5 new words every day. You can read books, watch movies, or use online resources to learn new words. But here's a very effective technique that I use to learn English words fast. It is called the flashcard technique. Flashcards are an effective way to memorize words and their meanings. You can make flashcards by writing the English word on one side of a card and the meaning and an example sentence on the other side. You can use online tools like Quizlet or Memrise to create and study flashcards. Learning new words is an important part of improving your English, so take the time to learn new words and practice using them in sentences. For example, do they use different sentence structures or different vocabulary than you? When you notice these mistakes, write them down so that you can go back and check them later. This is an important first step because it allows you to become more aware of the mistakes that you need to correct. Okay, now let's begin. Yes, do you know that English is so easy to learn? Yes, then why don't you speak it? The answer to this question is simple. It is because we can understand English grammar, but we never practice speaking English. So today in this video, I will teach you how to improve your English step by step, and you can learn it just in 3 months. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, I would like to say that if you follow each and every single tip that I am going to share with you in this video, then you can definitely improve your English in just 3 months. Tip number 1, identify your mistakes. Tip, know to correct your mistakes. After identifying your mistakes, the next step is to correct them. You can do this by practicing with a friend or family member, or by recording yourself while speaking. Once you have identified the mistakes that you need to work on, you can start practicing and correcting them. You can find many online resources that offer exercises and tips on how to correct common mistakes. So make sure that you utilize those resources to your advantage. Remember that correcting your mistakes is essential to improving your English. So take the time to practice and make sure that you are doing it right. Tip 3, expand your vocabulary. Tip number 4, speak English regularly. Tip, no. 5, set realistic goals. Tip, no. 6, focus on your pronunciation. Focusing on your pronunciation is also important when trying to improve your English. Tip number 7, practice using different tenses. Tip no. 8, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Tip number 9, be patient with yourself. Improving your English takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Now let me tell you something. To achieve your fluency goals, you must follow all of these steps. And if you want me to make a video on a specific topic related to English learning, then you can leave a comment down below and I will definitely try to make a video on that topic.